What's up, guys? We got a 2021 GasGas MC450F here that customer is going to be picking up later today. It's been prepped, it's been started. This is the final thing we do before a bike goes out the door, and that's take it for a ride. So I take it for a ride, make sure the brakes are working, make sure I don't hear any weird sounds, make sure it shifts through all the gears. If it's a two-stroke, I'll kind of clear it out a little bit before they get it. So yeah, let's hop on it and go for a ride. All right, guys, that thing felt as crisp and smooth and tight as any of them do. So that's enough to let me know this thing's probably good. When I get back from the ride, I usually sit here and let it run for a second and kind of put my head down here and listen for any weird sounds or anything. I'll do one more quick just feel over all the controls, look for anything loose. I'll do that one more time and give it to the customer, and they should be good to go rip it. So that's kind of what you can expect when you buy a bike here at AOMC. We're going to give it the second look to make sure it's good before it goes out the door for you. So we still have a couple of these MC450Fs left, and 2022 models will be here soon. 2022 KTMs and Huskies have already started arriving. So yeah, if we can help you out with the motorcycle, just PM me on social media or email Mike at aomc.mx, and we'd love to get you hooked up. Thanks for watching.